Hello everyone. Today is Saturday again and it's my day off. My blog is all about drive-through car washing. So first, you have to be on a queue and then you need to key in your code number or PIN so that mo under na ang machine nila. This is only a machine operated car washing. So way taong in charge. So you just have to follow ang unsay naka-indicate sa front. Need to go forward slowly para ma-hit sa water blaster ang tire o ang fender sa ilalom. Nagsugod na. First is soaking. Next one is foaming time to soften the dirt. So usually when we go on a trip or a short travel, magpa-car wash kami. And this kind of car wash is a superior car wash thingy. It cost us $10. $10 for 5 minutes. So part of the reason why we have to do this so often, number 1 is to maintain the car, 2 to prevent corrosion, 3 the paint of the car will last longer, and if you try to sell the car, it would still have a good resale value. Next one is water blasting to take off all the foams and the dirts from the car. Next is tricolour to protect the car paint from UV light from the sun. Then rinse again. So one of the advantages to do a touchless car wash, no scratches on the paint, and it's quick and fast. Then drying. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more notification, please click the bell button. So that's it guys. That's all for the car washing. See you in my next vlog. Thank you and bye-bye.